Your other tool, the keyboard. The keyboard is your primary tool for typing information into the computer, whether you're writing an email, searching for information online, or naming a file. At first glance, it might seem like there are a lot of keys, but don't worry. For now, we'll just focus on the most important ones you'll need to get started. The most important keys. Let's take a look at the keys you'll use most often. Character keys. This is the main section of the keyboard containing the letters of the alphabet and numbers. This is what you'll use for most of your typing. Spacebar, the long rectangular key at the very bottom of the keyboard. You press it to create a space between words and sentences. Enter or return. Key. This large key is used for two main things: to start a new line when you're typing, or to confirm a command or selection, similar to clicking OK. Backspace key. This key erases the character immediately to the left of your blinking cursor. It's perfect for fixing typos as you type. Delete key. This key is similar to backspace, but it erases the character immediately to the right of your cursor. Shift key. There are usually two shift keys, one on each side of the keyboard. When you press and hold the shift key while pressing a letter key, it will type a single capital letter. Caps. Lock key. Pressing this key once locks the keyboard into typing all letters in uppercase. A small light on the keyboard will usually turn on to show you it's active. Press it again to turn it off. Arrow keys. These four keys, usually found in a small group, let you move the cursor up, down, left, or right within a document or text field without deleting or changing anything. Helpful keyboard shortcuts. A shortcut is a combination of keys that you can press to perform a task more quickly. You hold down the first key, usually Ctrl, and then press the second key. Here are three of the most common shortcuts that are very helpful for working with text. Ctrl+C. This combination will copy any text you have highlighted. The original text stays where it is, but a copy of it is saved for you to use. Ctrl+X. This will cut the highlighted text. This means it removes the text from its current location and saves it for you to place elsewhere. Ctrl+Faves. This will paste the text that you have just copied or cut into the location of your cursor. Now you're familiar with both the mouse and the keyboard. It is time for you to practice what you have learnt by doing 6 exercises that will accelerate your learning. Go to the link on our description below to do the exercises. After that, in our next module, we'll turn on the computer and see what our digital workspace looks like.